EV scooters in India now are no longer seen as just machines which are going to save fuel. Well, now people expect range, performance, reliability, features, and most important, that is peace of mind. Today in this video, I'm going to share about one scooter which was launched recently, and this is my first ride experience. Well, Simple Energy has launched their scooters, that is Simple One and Simple One S, and this is generation 2. And this generation is not just about cosmetic changes but much more than that. Let's break down in this video. Design wise, when you will see, generation 2 looks similar, angular, then it is more focused and very sharper. But the changes are not just cosmetic, like I said, it is more functional. Well, what's new and noticeable? 1 liter glove box is finally added. Dedicated charging point is there, cleaner minimalistic dashboard layout, improved switchgear and rider focus control, which is very important. As per me, when you say scooter, it should have good boot space. Well, here is a good thing about generation 2. In this, you are going to get 35 liters of boot space. Well, you can fit a full-size helmet, a lots of other space to keep your essentials. You also get a LED light, which is useful when it is dark. And this space is also practically generated because now there is no removable battery in this machine. Generation 2 scooter also bring in one more thing, that is 780mm seat height. This is going to make practically very comfortable ride for everyone and most important in traffic. Well, this time the entire machine is not screaming to be different or something else, but it is screaming to be reliable and most important, comfortable for everyone. Let's talk about performance and modes. Well, this matters the most. Gen 2 of this machine comes in 2 battery variants, and where things get interesting. First variant is Simple One Gen 2 4.5 kilowatt. It has 236 km IDC range, 90 km per hour top speed, 50 Nm of torque and 0 to 40 in 3.3 seconds. Second variant has 5 kilowatt battery and it gives you 265 IDC range, 72 Nm of torque, 0 to 40 in 2.55 seconds, and its top speed is going to be 115 km per hour. Gen 2 Simple One comes with 6 riding modes, and this is not at all gimmick. Well, Eco X gives you maximum efficiency, calm throttle. Eco gives you daily city use. Ride mode gives you balance mode. Air, slightly aggressive mid-range. Sonic, performance focused mode, and Sonic X, which is my favorite, that is full power unleashed. Well, for commuters, eco and ride mode is most useful, but real fun starts after that if you want to unleash the entire power of this machine. Simple One also comes with traction control and it helps you to take this machine on rough road, wet roads and even in the potholes. Well, we have so many of them in Indian roads. More than that, the best part is that it has 4 levels of generative braking, and this is very important because this also gives you overall confidence while riding the scooter. And next and most important, it also regenerates the power and charges your battery in a way. Let's talk about connected tech and dashboard. Simple One Generation 2 gets a 7-inch touch screen while 1S gets non-touch display, but it is 7 inches. Features include 5G eSIM with LTE, Bluetooth call management, navigation, maps or turn-by-turn, OTA updates, Find My Vehicle, TPMS, Park Assist with forward and reverse. All of this runs on Android 12 with IP65 protection, which is most important for Indian conditions. I want to share one banger thing with you all, that Simple has announced Simple Ultra, one performance-based crazy scooter, and it is going to be variant of Simple 1. This Simple Ultra is going to give you 400 kilometers IDC range, 6.5 kilowatt of battery, and 0 to 40 in just 2.77 seconds. And it is also going to come with lifetime warranty. Well, this banger will soon come in the market, but right now we just got the glimpse and it was really crazy. And of course, this machine can also be add on with panniers, backrest, tire hugger, windshield, so many things, and you can actually use those 400 kilometers range to actually travel far away and enjoy your ride. There's one more thing I want to talk about, and that is warranty. Well, standard warranty comes with the machine, but if you want to extend your warranty to 5 years, it is going to cost you 5499. For 8 years, it is going to cost you 8499. And recently, a great thing that was announced, and that is lifetime warranty. Well, this lifetime warranty is going to come at a cost, and it is going to cost you around 30 to 35,000 rupees. Well, it sounds more, but practically it is going to secure your motor and battery for lifetime. And this is a very big move for any brand in EV industry. Let me know, what do you think about lifetime warranty in comments when you are seeing this video. Let's talk about money and how much this scooter is going to cost you. Well, Simple Gen 2 1S is going to cost you 149999. Simple Gen 2 1 with 4.5 kilowatt battery is going to cost you 169999. And if you want fun scooter that is 5 kilowatt variant, it is going to cost you 177999. Now, Gen 2 1 with 4 kilowatt battery, this is for people who want to run in a balance, as well as they need to commute and also go on highways sometimes. Simple 1 Gen 2 5 kilowatt battery, this variant is for people like me who love power and performance. Well, this machine is not only going to give you economical ranges, but also is going to give you good power, and you can have fun on the scooter. Let's talk about what I liked, and most important, what could have been better. Well, if you'll see overall machine, it's very lightweight, which is a good thing. Suspensions are really good, seat comfort is really good, boot space is really good. But what I feel could have been a little better is, I think the side stand could have been a little taller. It must be kept at that size for some intention, but I personally feel it should have been a little taller. The TFT display is huge, but I think the brightness could have been little more, because I was struggling with it some time back. And apart from that, I think machine is really good, lightweight, like I said. And the real challenge which I feel that EV industry faces is about charging stations and customer support. Well, Simple is bound to give a great customer support, and they all are so determined, because when we spoke to founders and co-founders, they all say this very important thing, that customer support is what they look forward to, and they try to resolve every query any customer has. Well, this matters the most as per me, and that is it. I think those are few things which could be better, and surely this machine is good. Riding it more will give me better experience, but as of now, as a first impression and first ride, these are my take. This was all about Simple 1. These machines were launched recently and I got to ride them, and that was my first ride experience, and it was really good. I would like to know from you all, how did you find this video? If you have any queries or questions, please mention them in comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Well, I would love to connect with you all on Instagram as well. You can follow me at Shweta Chitrode, and I would love to interact. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.